వెల్కమ్ టు ద సీజన్ 2 ఆఫ్ పర్మిట్ రూమ్. నేను మిస్ సరన్. ఇవాల్టి మన గెస్ట్ చాలా వండర్ఫుల్ జర్నీ ఇది. ఫస్ట్ యూట్యూబ్ చేశారు, యూట్యూబ్ నుంచి టీవీకి వచ్చారు, టీవీ నుంచి సినిమాలు, సినిమా నుంచి తెలుగు టు మలయాళం. అబ్బో మ్యాడ్ జర్నీ. వీ హ్యావ్ యుక్తి తరేజా విత్ us. సో హాయ్ యుక్తి, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Hello, I'm so glad to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you so much. We are very pleasure to have you.
This is my first podcast, by the way.
Definitely. And I think you're going to love it because we
I
have that vibe. How do you like this vibe of the set?
I love it. I just love it. So cozy, so like, just like sitting on the couch having a conversation.
So, how's Hyderabad treating you?
I love Hyderabad. When I come here, I mean, just there's no stress in the air.
Okay.
So I like it because I live in Bombay and it's just so restless. Like when I come here, it's just like easy peasy. But this time it's not because like we are promoting our film and it's
So, that's the one thing you love about Hyderabad?
that's the one and food.
Food, definitely food.
Yeah.
You've had biryani, no? Yeah, वो तो है.
100
Very,
times.
very मतलब common question हो गया वो.
हाँ वो कॉमन क्वेश्चन है वो तो खाना तो मतलब है ही यहाँ.
हाँ. So, apart from biryani, what did you have? वो ये अलग question हो गया. Anything that you liked?
I love Konsu.
Konsu. Oh, Konsu as a place. हाँ.
Konsu is a place I like. Like whenever I come here, अब now this time the Navratri is going on. Otherwise, I always eat that fried chicken burger.
Okay.
Like that's my first meal when I come here.
Okay. So, are you a desserts person?
I like desserts, but not a very like I don't have a sweet tooth as
Oh,
such.
okay. That's good. No? I also don't have a sweet tooth, but you should try Consume. They have this strawberry dipped chocolate.
I've had it.
Yeah,
I've had
it's
it.
lovely. It's lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah, then it's fine. So you have told जो अच्छा लगा हैदराबाद के बारे में, ठीक है. What's that one thing that you ये थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया हैदराबाद में? What is that thing that you don't like about Hyderabad? I have it on the tip of my tongue. I'll say it.
There's nothing like that actually.
You love the traffic also, huh?
There's more traffic in Bombay.
Oh, compared
so
to okay.
Yeah, compared to Hyderabad, I mean there is traffic, but see now I think it's been 3 years I've been coming here and like to Hyderabad. But in the last 3 years, Hyderabad has grown so much.
Definitely.
Like when I used to come here, I mean there used to be no buildings. Like in 3 years, there's so many buildings on the way. I mean,
And flyovers also you might have
like
seen.
shocking development.
Definitely. So you've been in Hyderabad for 3 years. You told no past 3
Like
years.
3 years I'm coming. Like because 3 years ago in 2022, I signed my first film here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
సో హౌ గుడ్ హ్యాస్ యువర్ తెలుగు గాటన్? తెలుగు ఇట్లా ఎలా ఉంది ఇప్పుడు? తెలుగు మాట్లాడితే నేను ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే హౌ మచ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్?
Telugu కొంచెం అర్థమైంది. But I mean because I've been traveling, I can't like I forget things.
Okay.
Like I'm good with my dialogues when I get the scene and all, but otherwise, like when I have to like actually have a conversation with someone, I think for that I have to live here
డెఫినెట్లీ.
because when you learn the language, even my English was not that great to be honest. Like because it was not.
Okay.
But then when I shifted to Bombay and I did my studies in Delhi, like college and all. So when I shifted like from my hometown, then it got better because the people around me, they were speaking in English. So abhi, you have this pressure of like very unknown pressure of learning that language. So I think when I'll do more films here, when I'll be more, in this city, so I will learn it automatically.
डेफिनेटली. सो यू स्टडीड इन दिल्ली एंड आई हैव डन अच्छा रिसर्च किया मैंने आपके बारे में. मतलब आप कहाँ से हो, क्या पढ़ा है वो सब. यू आर
कहाँ से हूँ मैं?
मतलब कर्नल हरियाणा वही से हो क्या?
No, my hometown is Kaithal, Haryana.
कैथल. चैट जीपीटी में चेंज करना पड़ेगा गाइस.
Karnal, I don't know. Google says some. आपने Google किया होगा.
गूगल चैट जीपीटी सब क्या है, मतलब सब वही बोल रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
चैट जीपीटी तो वैसे उठाता है ना, गूगल से उठाता है वो.
No, पता है, I was in this show, Supermodel of the Year. They have told it Karnal. So from there, everybody has picked up Karnal. But
ऐसा मतलब कहाँ हुआ कंफ्यूजन?
no, Karnal, because Kaithal, Karnal, it's like sound similar and
Okay.
Kaithal is like 1 hour away from Karnal. It's that kind of difference.
हरियाणा ओनली बेसिकली.
But it's Haryana.
So do you speak that Haryanvi language? I love that because I loved Amir Khan in Dangal. That's Haryanvi only, no?
that's Haryanvi.
Mari choriya choro se kam hai ke? I just
Too
love it,
good,
man. I love it. So do you know that Haryanvi language?
Yeah,
Can you speak? Please, some lines for us. Huh?
और छोरे के करन लग रहा है.
Yeah, Mundi bro, wow. Crazy. I loved it, man. Oh, super. So, beach mein you speak Haryanvi. Huh? I'll get a instant high. Huh? Thank you. So, how was growing up in you schooling and all? वहीं पे हुआ क्या हरियाणा में?
Schooling like till 12th I was in my home city, the Kethel. Then after my 12th I shifted to Delhi for my graduation. I was in Delhi University.
So, how good were you as a student?
I was too good, yeah, surprisingly.
Okay.
I mean, in 12th I scored some 96.2%.
Wow.
100 out of 100 in business studies, 100 out of 100 in physical education. Like, I was a topper kind of student. But later I realized that I never wanted to study. I just...
ऐसा कैसा हो गया?
No, but I studied because I wanted to get out of that city.
Oh,
And I knew, like, if I actually get good marks, my parents would be like, we can't waste her in this city. We have to send her out to study.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
So I thought you also had that typical topper mentality. पढ़ लेते हैं पर बाद में नहीं अच्छा नहीं गया पेपर.
No, in my school, I used to be in dance team. I used to be
Okay.
dancing all the time. In 11th, 12th, I studied a lot. Otherwise, I didn't study so much.
So 12th, you told how much is your percentage? Can I guess your 10th percentage? Because you said you're a good student. एक bracket दूंगा, you just tell me it's in that or not. 83 to 86%.
It was actually CGPA in my time.
हाँ तो मैं my time बोल तो मैं भी
अच्छा.
तो मैं भी तो मेरा तो 10th में 8.8 था.
मेरा 9.2 था.
9.2 तो अच्छे स्टूडेंट है भाई आप.
9.2 पता नहीं कैसा आ गया. I don't know.
9.2 कैसा ये आ गया फिर से
That I
टॉपर वाला हरकत आ गया यहाँ पे. So I used to have a friend. मतलब मैं if I give a exam, no, I'm very excited about it. अच्छा अगर पेपर अच्छा जाना is very rare for me. तो एक बार मैथ्स का एग्जाम था. आई रोट मतलब मैं 90 अबो आ जाएगा मैं को सोच रहा था. मैं गाड़ी पे जा रहा था. मैं दोस्त को देख के तो बोल दिया भाई 90 अबो आ रहा है वो बोल के. सो मुझको पूछा भाई कितना आ रहा है तेरे को. बोलता भाई गया भाई पेपर उतना अच्छा नहीं गया बोल के बोल रहा था. ही गॉट 98, आई गॉट 81 और समथिंग.
But you know what? पता है एक बार तुम पढ़ने लग जाओ ना, when you start studying. In 12th, what happened with me? I was writing my board exam. When and so the first exam was English. When I came home, I think I've cried for 2 hours because my one question was wrong. And I thought now my dream has broken. Like because it was a 6-mark question. I was like, my 1% has just gone. And I don't know, but I scored 92. Still I scored 92. My 6. Okay, I'm not saying more.
just టాపర్ ఇదంతా కాదు. షీఈ్ డెఫినెట్లీ టాపర్. ఐ క్యాన్ సీ దట్ క్లియర్లీ. బట్ ఓకే అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ స్టడీస్ డాన్స్ में used to participate in every co-curricular activity. Which school were you in?
DAV.
DAV.
OSDAV public school.
मतलब
Yeah.
plus one plus two.
No, since I was like first, like from KG first, second, same school.
हाँ मैं भी मतलब I was in KV.
अच्छा.
हाँ अच्छा KV तो
Oh, but KV I've heard they don't give like it's a very difficult board.
CBSE है ना अल्टीमेटली.
अच्छा अब नहीं KV नहीं फिर कोई और है. नहीं ऐसे मेरा भी CBSE था.
हाँ वही
तभी
ना,
आ
दी-
गए
दी-
मार्क्स.
अभी आ रहे हैं क्या? सीबीएसई बहुत टफ है. ये वाला कौन? नहीं मैं सीबीएसई को बहुत सपोर्ट करता हूँ. मतलब आईसीएसई सीबीएसई एसएससी में
नहीं
परसों
पता नहीं कोई तो एक और बोर्ड होता है which is very difficult.
आईसीएसई है वो.
हाँ कुछ तो होता है लाइक बच्चे बड़ा रोते हैं उस बोर्ड के कि हमें मार्क्स नहीं आते. पता नहीं कौन सा. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर.
आईसीएसई ओनली वो ज्यादा इंग्लिश बात करते रहते वो लोग. हाँ
बट उनको इंग्लिश आ जाती है. सी माय टिल 12th my English was very bad.
सेम हियर. My English is still bad now but I manage.
No, but now though like I've traveled a lot. Now it's better. But when I like just entered the college phase and stuff, I used to be so insecure, man. I used to be like, these students are like, I mean, it's so easy for them.
Exactly no. मतलब बात करते जाते हैं मेरे को लगता है मतलब मेरा मदर टंग जैसा है. You are speaking English like that. How is that possible, man?
Exactly. मैंने कहा I can only think in Hindi. Nothing.
Yeah, first I frame a sentence in Telugu, then word to word English translation होता था. Same.
But then how you improved your English?
So I was in Mallareddy. That didn't help it at all because वो सब वहाँ पे continuous तेलुगु only. I used to have a friend बस में.
अच्छा.
तो जब सुबह जाते ही इज अ बंगाली, सो उसको हिंदी ठीक से नहीं आता था, पूरा बंगाली एक्सेंट आता था उसका. तो आई यूज्ड टू गो 15 मिनट्स अर्ली जस्ट टू टॉक टू हिम, बिकॉज मलारेड्डी में अगर जाता ना सब तेलुगु में बात करता, अगर इंग्लिश में बात किया ना तो दे आर लाइक आ गया देखो या यूएस रिटर्न आया इस टॉकिंग ऐसे आया, ऐसे रहता ट्रीटमेंट. इंग्लिश में बात किया तो दे गोस्ट यू. तो मैं
उंगली स्टाइल क्या मार रहा है?
हाँ सही क्या मार रहा है तो ज्यादा अच्छा ठीक है आया इंग्लिश में. अभी देखा हॉलीवुड फिल्म के बारे में बात करेगा, टैरेंटिनो ये सब बोलेगा. भाई मैं देखता ही नहीं हॉलीवुड पिक्चर्स, आई डोंट वॉच. तो बाद में यू नो आई वाज कॉर्नर्ड एक्चुअली. मेरे घर में सब लोग, माय सिस्टर वाज वर्किंग फॉर अ सेल्स कंपनी फॉर यूके, सो शी हैज अ वेरी गुड इंग्लिश. तो सबके सामने फैमिली के सामने शी यूज्ड टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश. ये वो सब फ्रॉम डेल टेक्नोलॉजीज ये सब बात कर रही है. सब लोग अरे मेरी बेटी ऐसा इंग्लिश बात कर रही है एंड ऑल. मैं बाजू में कस्टमर केयर में आई यूज्ड टू प्रेस तेलुगु तेलुगु के लिए 0 दबाया तेलुगु. तो माय डैड यूज्ड टू सी मी, इतना फड़ा है इसको साला ये तेलुगु दबा रहा है कस्टमर केयर के लिए. सो आफ्टरवर्ड्स देन आई टुक इट एज अ चैलेंज.
Challenge, yeah.
तो my mom seriously came up to me when I was 22. She came up to me and like, अगर स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लासेस को अगर तू जाना चाहता है तो so there is an opportunity. भाई इतना बड़ा हो गया स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लास को जा रहा हूँ बोल के, how will it be? मैं जब तक नहीं मैं सीखूंगा बोल के started watching English films and
Yeah, English films, dude. Like that's what has helped me. I think because till 12th I didn't watch English films because क्या होता था ना, on TV also it used to be dubbed Hindi. All the English movies used to come in dubbed Hindi. And like,
And that dubbing-
where do I see people like speaking English then? Till 12th, but after 12th, I started watching English films. Like 3 I used to complete in one day. That has helped a lot.
so what's the first English movie that you watched?
That I don't remember. I think Titanic.
हाँ वो तो हाँ staple.
वो मैंने actually बहुत पहले ही देख ली थी. But that's one of my favorite films.
डेफिनेटली. मतलब मेरे को अभी भी आई थियरीज पढ़ते रहता हूँ टाइटैनिक के बारे में. मतलब दे हैड इधर की प्लेस ఉండే దాన్ని दे हैड प्लेस फॉर 2 देयर बट वो
They had place for what?
मतलब वो इन द क्लाइमैक्स
अच्छा.
हाँ 2 लोगों के लिए प्लेस था पर मैं एक ही था, वो ओनली वन गॉट सेव्ड बोल के. बट ओके माय फर्स्ट इंग्लिश मूवी वाज हैरी पॉटर.
Oh, Harry Potter. Yes.
Yeah.
I think mine also. Now I can remember. Yeah, I think it was
I
Harry
used to have a thing where English films बहुत छोटे होते हैं. ये तेलुगु में and हिंदी में used to have 2.5 hours 3 hours films, no? So I used to have a thing that 1.5 hour में पिक्चर हो जाएगा बोल के. My crush suggested me to watch Harry Potter. No, she gave me a book. मैं बोला भाई बुक ये सब नहीं होता.
Yeah, but Harry Potter was so interesting also when you were like when I was young. I mean, I used to watch it and it used to be like, why I can't go to the school like that? Like it's so cool. Why can't I wear those kind of uniforms? I was very disappointed with my uniform when I was in school. I was very like, oh my god, it just ruins my fashion sense.
Definitely when you say uniform, I also मतलब हमारा केवी में till 8th class you have to wear that shorts. निक्कर पहने रहते till 8th class. तो 9th में they changed our uniform. Such checkered something. It was not finalized yet. So my father was like, नहीं अभी finalize नहीं हुआ तेरे को नहीं दिला तू बोल के.
Yeah.
So till 9th class ending, I used to wear that shorts. सबके
my
सामने ऐसा वीरू
God.
सहस्त्र बुद्धे के जैसा लो वेस्ट भी नहीं, यहाँ तक ऐसा चड्डी पहन के. So I used to feel very embarrassed. But अभी कुछ है नहीं, कुछ कर नहीं सकते. But के I let it go. But I used to have that trauma. Suddenly kick in हो गया भाई. Okay, we'll move on from that topic. हाँ, so we're talking about dance and all. So you used to participate in dance competitions and all.
Yeah, when I just joined my college, in the first year I joined a crew.
Okay.
It was Misbah dance crew.
Okay.
And I joined it. And for the 1 year, I never attended any class.
Okay.
3 months, they just made us do some workouts to make our body a little toned and like, fit to dance because it was all hip hop and contemporary and our bodies needed to be, very strong for that. And then we used to do I think it was a 11-12 minute choreo.
Okay. 11 minutes is बहुत ज़्यादा है ना?
बहुत ज़्यादा है और हमारे पीसेस होते थे उसमें भी लाइक 5-6 सॉन्ग्स वी यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म ऑन एंड पर उसकी प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़्यादा करते थे लाइक हम लोग around 10 hours every single day.
Oh man.
So initially when I started that, the next day I couldn't, I can't just wake up because my body is paining from every. But then I got used to it, and now also I'm used to it because gym, Pilates, whatever I do, if there's no pain in my body, I'm like, fuck, I'm not working hard. There's no pain in my body. How can it be so? I cannot be this relaxed in life.
हाँ, वो तो सेल्फ डाउट रहता ही है ना.
Yeah, but then 1 year went like that, and in the second year of college, I kind of started working. I started modeling. Yes.
Okay. So where did that inspiration come from modeling and all? मतलब ये
Yes.
dance ठीक है.
तो हुआ क्या? In the first year of college, there used to be some competition happening.
It's in Delhi, right?
Delhi.
दिल्ली में कौन सा कॉलेज?
Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce.
Okay.
I was in that. I was doing BCom honors.
Okay.
And तो ना क्या होता है वहाँ पे फ्रेश फेस there's this fresh face competition.
Times fresh face.
हाँ, times fresh face. So I participated in that. And मतलब I mean I was after the rehearsals I went, like I was not ready or something. I was in my practice clothes,
Okay.
full of sweat, and it started raining also that day. And I just went on the stage and I performed, and there were 3 rounds. The third round was some question and answer. They asked some question, I answered it, and I won that.
Oh lovely. You didn't plan anything. You
I
just
didn't
went
plan
like that.
anything. My senior, the president of my dance crew, she was like, Yukti, you have to go. Every fresher has to participate. They were like our teachers. Like they were only 2 years older than us, but they were like teachers of us. Ki bhai, we used to call them Bhaiya Didi.
Okay.
And they were like, you have to go. And that gave me confidence that, okay, maybe, something else is meant for me. Maybe it just, see, dance though I was doing because I love dancing. But then that modeling kind of stuff, that started from Fresh Face. Because then they invited me to one of the ramp shows and I did some photo shoot for them. But after that, I got that confidence that maybe, something else is meant for me. Maybe let's just try. And in the second year of college, I got this gig from somewhere, some shoot or something, and I got paid around 6,000. And I was like,
That was
oh
the first payment?
that was my first payment,
Oh, lovely,
6,000. It was a small shoot like of some very local designer of Bengal. Like she called me, she was doing her shoot in Delhi. And I was like, oh my God. Like, ek to, I'm not even doing anything. I'm just posing. And I'm getting paid. Like, and 6,000 was a big deal for me back then. And I was like, oh, I can buy clothes. I can go have dinner at nice places. Like, it's enough. Like, when you're a student, 6,000 is enough for you, yeah?
Definitely. मेरे को अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है 6,000. अभी 6,000 तो हुआ मैं कुछ भी कर लेता हूँ. Like that for me. Yeah,
No,
I
now
appreciate.
I've shifted to Bombay. Now I have 6,000 अभी कुछ नहीं. It's too expensive to live there. But yeah,
to
that's how it started actually for me. Then I started getting gigs, like, all of that. But my main motivation was actually money.
Definitely.
Because
Thank
I
you for
was
being
like-
so honest.
But my actually main motivation was money. I didn't know that time that this is the calling. I have to do this all my life. That also I didn't think that time. I was like, I'm earning good money. I don't have to ask my parents that send me money. I need a new dress. I need to go out with my friends. Like I can just do everything on my own. I'm independent. I'm free. Like it's fun. So it started with that.
That's the biggest independence, the financial independence जो आता है ना एक बार उसके
There's
बाद
no
तो
going back.
उसके बाद वो और एक प्रेशर भी है. You have to work now.
Now you have to work. एक बार तुमने पैसे मांगने बंद कर दिए फिर तुम मांग नहीं सकते कभी. उसके बाद तुम्हें नीड भी है ना. You'll ask a friend कि I need money, please send. You can't ask your parents after that.
नहीं वो तो आ जाएगा ना आपने अभी क्या पूछना है बोल के मैं भाई मतलब मैं बीच में I earned something and बाद में हो गया एक पिक्चर के लिए भी if I wanted to have some 200 or 300 bucks मैं घर में जाके क्या पूछूं क्या बोल के स्टार्ट करूं मतलब they'll start asking no savings कहाँ गए तेरे तो बैंक अकाउंट निकाल बोल के भाई अब बैंक अकाउंट के पास तो मत जाओ
बस वही ना. You try to save yourself from all those questions and like okay. I mean they are your parents obviously. They'll give you a whatever but like
वो तो रहेगा पर हाँ वो तो है अल्टीमेटली वो तो देंगे ही.
हाँ but अभी क्या.
So how was your parents' reaction when you were doing all this? मतलब are they supportive?
Yeah, see, first few months though I didn't tell only that I'm doing this.
Wonderful thing.
ठीक है, because I was too scared. I'm like, how do I confront? बिकॉज अभी वो कहेंगे भाई यू आर सो लाइक इंटेलिजेंट 96%, लाइक वाई दिस नीड. See, when you're 18, your parents are expecting you to just study and focus on like, you know, all these things. It's like, क्या ज़रूरत पड़ेगी भाई, हम कमा रहे हैं. Like we have money, why do you need to work and all? But अभी I was loving it that time. The first few months I didn't tell, but then later on I told them कि भाई I am doing all this. So they got very insecure. They were absolutely against it. That they were like I can't, like we trust you, but we can't trust the people around or all those like proper, you know, things. And then, but I was doing pretty well. Like when I actually got that show, Supermodel of the Year, there was one show I did. After that, they got like, they were cool. Like, okay, she's doing good and we should support her.
अच्छा, should you let your work speak?
Yeah, exactly. तो अल्टीमेटली जब आया उनको टीवी पे दिख गई मैं, that oh she's coming on TV and everybody is praising her. तो
मैं सोच रहा था ऐसा कुछ 3 इडियट्स का सीन हुआ होगा, अब्बा मैं खुश रहूंगा ये सब करके, लाइक दैट आई थॉट यू वुड हैव सम सीन और समथिंग.
See, अभी ये सब चीजें ना होती हैं. अब ये भी एक तो इतने टाइम पहले हुआ है, अब हो गए इस चीज को भी 4 साल 5 साल तो हो ही गए ना when I started. तो हाँ उस टाइम तो देखो यार, all those emotional things, you know, it happens that
बट आई हैड अ फ्रेंड हु इज, अब फ्रेंड भी नहीं बोल सकते, बहुत बड़ा है वो, 45-50 इयर्स का है. सो ही इज सजेस्टिंग मी ऐसा कुछ घर में ऐसा प्रॉब्लम कर रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसा पिक्चरों में जाने के लिए ऐसा बोले. तो ही टोल्ड आई ऑल्सो ट्राइड फॉर मूवीज, देन माई मॉम स्टॉप मी एंड नाउ बोलती है कि मेरी मम्मी तू ट्राई करना चाहिए था बट बेटा, मतलब हम तो रोकते ही हैं, हमारा फर्ज बनता है रोकना, तेरे को कर लेना चाहिए था. मैं भाई
मम्मी का zodiac sign क्या, Gemini?
हो सकता है, पर ये भाई
Dual personality.
भाई 25 साल के बाद आके हाउ विल यू फील, कर लेना चाहिए था भाई वो सुपर मॉडल वाला, हाँ कर लेना चाहिए. तो हाउ विल यू फील ना. सो दैट्स व्हाई मैं सोच लिया भाई कर लेंगे, अब तो गालियां खा लेंगे, बाद में अगर कुछ हो गया तो डेफिनेटली.
I feel like कि भाई लड़ लेना चाहिए. You should fight for what you want because ultimately they will understand. Ultimately it's your life. You have come through them in this world, but ultimately everybody is on their own.
डेफिनेटली.
Yeah.
एंड ये हॉलीवुड मूवीज के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. आर यू अ मूवी बफ, मतलब मूवीज देखते हो हिंदी मूवीज एंड ऑल रेगुलरली?
Every single day.
Oh.
I make sure that I'm watching one movie every day.
तो हु इज योर फेवरेट एक्टर इन हिंदी?
In Hindi,
हाँ हिंदी, तेलुगु को आएंगे हल्लू.
Shah Rukh Khan, yeah, Shah Rukh Khan.
Of course, who doesn't love him? And now bolte Shah Rukh Khan is there, but in the young lot, who do you like? Mine is Ranbir Kapoor. Ranbir Kapoor and
I
Ranbir,
would,
yeah.
it's my dream to work with Ranbir Kapoor, yeah. Even Ranveer Singh. When I watched that film, oh my God, what has happened to my speech? When I watched that film, Rocky Rani.
Rocky or Rani,
Oh my
I just
God.
love.
So I'm a proper North Indian person, no? So I related to that character so much. I'm like, oh my God, the whole film he has like. Too
I
good.
just love his slang, man. उसमें जो बात करता है, I love you from
और भी
last
कोई
life.
प्रॉब्लम है तो गले पड़ जाओ मेरे.
ये कोई जप्पिने पंता मैनू. It's a lovely man. And there's a particular scene that where interval के बाद I think Alia Bhatt is continuously scolding him and वो बोल रहा है कि नहीं handle with care, I'm a fragile.
No, every single dialogue, like with so much conviction he has done. I'm like, और मुझे काम पता है क्यों करना है उनके साथ, मुझे बस देखना है. Like, how is he? How he does it? Like, I'm just so curious.
So energetic, man. कहीं पे भी, मतलब not only in the films, when you see off screen also, no, he's always pumped up. मिलना है एक बार, but definitely you.
And Ranbir Kapoor, I want to work with him because यार समझ ही नहीं आता as in like I don't understand the graph of his acting. I mean, what is the graph? He just confuses you. Like every actor has a graph, but he is just, there's no limit to it. There's just no limit. Like, yeah, that's what intrigues me.
So what's your favorite film of Ranbir Kapoor? मतलब मेरा एक अनपॉपुलर ओपिनियन है, सब लोग गालियां देते मेरे को, बट आई विल टेल फर्स्ट यू.
अरे वो कौन सी फिल्म थी यार, इम्तियाज अली की?
रॉकस्टार या तमाशा?
See, both of them I liked. Tamasha is actually too good. His work was too good in Tamasha.
मतलब मेरे को जब व्हेन आई वॉच तमाशा ना, आई वेंट विद माय फैमिली, मेरे को पता नहीं था ये सब तो एक्टिंग ऐसा होता है। मैं सोचा गाने नहीं आ रहे,
गाने नहीं आ रहे।
कंटिन्यूअसली इज जस्ट ब्रशिंग, गोइंग टू ऑफिस, क्या है भाई, का खत्म करो पिक्चर, आई वाज लाइक दैट। बाद में भाई बहुत अच्छा पिक्चर बना लिया मतलब।
पता है मैं भी जब वो फिल्म आई थी ना तो आई वाज वेरी यंग दैट टाइम आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड द फिल्म. आई वॉच्ड इट व्हेन आई लाइक यू नो आई गॉट अ लिटिल मैच्योर. लाइक आई थिंक 2 years back I watched it again. Then I understood the film. But when did it come, that film?
Exactly, man. मतलब 2015, yeah.
2015, yeah, that time I didn't understand. I
You can
was
see
like,
it here. Rockstar ఎప్పుడు వచ్చింది? Sorry, తమాషా sorry.
Tamasha.
2015, yeah.
Yeah, that time I didn't understand. I was so young. Like I was literally in school that time. So that time I didn't understand. Like now 2 years back I watched it. Now I understood the film. It didn't work on box because it's boring. Like sorry. It's not boring in that way. Like for masses. For masses, like now people are so used. But that time people were used to that fast-paced films. Like now they are 100%.
Definitely.
Like it's not boring. Oh my god.
No problem, सब लोग यही सोच रहे
I
हैं
don't know what mind is speaking that.
But I also found it very boring. But बाद में when I saw that in Instagram के reels में आते हैं ना, that climax scene, that he goes
अभी
to
तो
that
रील्स पे इतनी फेमस हो गई हैं कुछ चीजें उसकी.
हाँ. तो that it grows on you, definitely. Tamasha grows on you, and lovely film. So let's come back to your modeling gigs and all. So मतलब you did YouTube first or you did modeling?
I never
first?
did YouTube.
मतलब वो गाना your album that got hit.
Oh,
no,
that is a very lovely story. I have to say that. So in during COVID, I shifted to Bombay. So that time, I was in second year of my college when COVID happened. I think it was my 5th semester which started. I was home. I was bored, like fully bored. I was like, what to do? I started making TikToks and all. But then TikTok also got banned. Something like that was happening, you know. I was watching shows. That time, I think Money Heist, Elite, all these shows were coming and like I was watching all of them. I joined singing classes. Like I was doing something, but then I was like, no, yaar, I can't be just home. Then one day I just told my parents and I was auditioning at home.
Okay.
That time I was a little bit of famous on Instagram. Like I had some 150K followers.
So lovely.
And I was getting some ads ke audition and you know all these things, acting gigs. I was auditioning at home. My mom used to make my audition at home.
Oh, what a lovely transition, no?
My mom used to, and my brother used to give me cues.
Oh, super.
Like you know scenes ke cues hote hain. And that's how I used to send my auditions and stuff. But then one day I was like, I think in October 2020 I was like, I have to go to Bombay. Like this is not like working out for me. अभी हो गया COVID, it's okay, I'm very strong, मेरे को नहीं होगा. तो अभी like I have to go and stuff. And yes, my father, then I came to Bombay. I convinced my parents. My father came with me. And the moment I landed in Bombay, I got a call. So, Yukti, you are shortlisted in this ad. You're doing it. The brand is Parachute.
Okay.
Okay. And yeah, tomorrow come for fittings. I'm like, okay. और मैं अभी कैब में हूँ. Like, you know, I've just landed to Bombay. I'm in the cab. I'm going to Navi Mumbai because my some relatives live there because I don't have a place to like rent and all. Like, I have to look for places. That's why my father has come. तो अभी you know, I'm just in the car and मैं अपने पापा को देख के कह रही हूँ, मैं कह see, this place is so lucky for me. I have just come and money is just coming to me. And that started happening. Like in the next 3-4 days, I was just busy with that ad commercial. And then after that, nothing came to me.
That's the tough phase,
ठीक है,
right?
I found a house for myself. I found this 1 BHK. I started living there alone. So 1 month, nothing came. I was just going to the places. I didn't know anyone. I was going to the places. I was auditioning. I was like doing stuff, getting demotivated. Sometimes felt very lonely. Like that 1-2 months were difficult until one day I was just going to Coffee Day Bella. There's this coffee shop. And I used to just live like, you know, उसके बिल्कुल सामने में रहती होती थी. ठीक है, तो मैं सामने में ऐसी कॉफ़ी लेने जा रही हूँ शाम को. आई एम जस्ट वेयरिंग शॉर्ट्स, गंजी, like just like this, like, you know, casually. And then this guy comes to me, very small little guy, and he was like, "So, आपका नाम युक्ति है ना?" मैंने कहा, "Yes, I'm युक्ति." मैं बात जानता है मेरे को।
मुंबई में लोग जानते हैं भाई।
मैं कहा, "हाँ।" तो उसके बाद मुझे कहता, मैं कहा, "हाँ बोलो." कहता, "There is this song with Imran Hashmi.
ओ
17, 18, 19, 20th January there's shoot. तो are you available?" मैंने कहा, फ्रॉड। मैंने बोला नहीं, मेरे दिमाग, यू नो दैट्स व्हाट गोइंग ऑन, दैट वाज गोइंग ऑन इन माय हेड। आई वाज लाइक फ्रॉड, पर मैं कहा अभी कुछ दे, मतलब यू नो लेट्स सी हाउ फ्रॉड लुक्स लाइक। बट व्हाई समर
ये क्या है भाई?
आई नो
You wanted to see how fraud looks like, huh?
because nothing, no fraud happened to me na till then. I was like, let's see, because I'm in a new city, I don't know how things work.
You also wanted some stories to tell बाद में।
I was like, let's see, let's
Struggling
see.
stories आ जाएगा।
अभी क्या है, क्योंकि क्या when you're young, I was like, okay, let's go with the flow. Okay. तो मैंने अपना नंबर दे दिया, मैं क्या ओके दिस इज माई नंबर। तो कहता कल सुबह ना आप रेडी वेडी होके गेट रेडी एंड कम टू द ऑफिस, आई मेक यू मीट द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द सॉन्ग एंड इफ ही लाइक्स यू लेट्स सी। नेक्स्ट डे आई हैव गॉटन रेडी। इन माई हेड आई एम लाइक दिस इज थिंग कि भाई कुछ होने नहीं वाला।
फ्रॉड ही है कैसे?
हाँ, वही चल रहा है मेरे दिमाग में। बट स्टिल आई हैव गॉटन रेडी, आई हैव worn दिस वेरी ब्यूटिफुल अनारकली white suit and I've gotten ready. I'm calling him, he's not picking my call because I don't have the address where to go. तो अभी वो मैं उसको कॉल करे जा रही हूँ भाई, वो नहीं उठा रहा मेरा फोन। मैं क्या, देख युक्ति, पता ही था। Why are you getting surprised? Why are you getting disappointed? You knew it's a fraud. ठीक है, उसका बंदे का मेरे को कॉल आ रहा है रात को।
अच्छा।
He is calling me late in the night, around 9ish. कहता sorry युक्ति, tomorrow let's do the meeting tomorrow morning. It was New Year's party and I got very drunk.
वाह, ये तो पक्का फ्रॉड है अभी।
हाँ, मैं क्या who talks like that? मतलब be a little professional. Like you have met me for the first time, you're telling me that you got drunk. Like something like that. And then the next day, I'm such a fool. Next day, I have again gotten ready in the same suit and with the same hair and makeup I have done. But then the next day, he picked my call. He sent me the location. I went to meet them. I met the director. It was like a 10 minutes meeting. He just asked me, कहाँ से हो आप? What does your father do? What does your mother do? And that's it.
You didn't audition? Audition नहीं हुआ क्या?
कुछ ऑडिशन कुछ ऐसा नहीं हुआ। और बस नॉर्मल बात हुई, उन्होंने मुझसे बात की, उन्होंने नॉर्मल बस वो जानने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि मैं क्या, कहाँ से आई हूँ, क्या करती हूँ, ऑल दिस। तो मैं कहा चलो ठीक है, आई हैव गॉटन बैक होम। तो अब मेरे को लग रहा है कि ओके लेट्स सी। इन द नाइट ही कॉल्ड हिम, सॉरी द डायरेक्टर कॉल्ड मी हिमसेल्फ and he was like, so Yukti, tomorrow come to Tarun Tahiliani's office for fittings.
Whoa.
And I'm like, okay, so this is happening. The next morning, I've gone to Tarun Tahiliani's office for the fittings. They have made me wear this very beautiful lehenga, which I'm actually wearing in that song. And yeah, then they did my rehearsals for few days and stuff. And then we shot that song for like 4 days. And yes, it became the biggest song.
Exactly. No, I just checked. अभी कितने views है बोल के I was checking.
1.5 billion.
1.5 billion भाई।
I know, right? I know. It was so crazy for me also. I'm like, I'm acting for the first time on screen. That too with Imran Hashmi. And he's such a gentleman, I have to
I
say.
was about to ask यार। अभी तो
He's a very, very good man. One of the best person I have worked with till now. But yeah, I mean, it became so big. It was so...
I was.
God was kind.
So he's a wonderful actor. अभी there's a series that came out. You saw Bads of Bollywood बोल के आया।
Oh yeah.
उसमें पूरा भी ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है। अक्खा बॉलीवुड एक तरफ, इमरान हाशमी एक तरफ। So I was.
He has some crazy fan following also, yeah.
Man, he's a lovely actor. That's what I was. How was the first meeting? Do you remember? Definitely. You
First
remember.
meeting, I remember. I was already in the shot.
Okay,
And
okay.
he entered. The first shot, first day. I don't know if you have seen the song. I'm on the couch and I'm like this. Like I'm crying. And Imi sir has just come. Like he has just because that shoot was happening in a suite room of Taj.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that Kulaba one. एंड वो आ रहे हैं और मैं ना ऐसे करके सोफे पे पड़ी हुई हूँ. मेरा तो एक्चुअली शॉर्ट हो रहा है और जैसे वो आए हैं मैंने ऐसे कर लिया बिकॉज आई जस्ट डोंट नो हाउ टू रिएक्ट. आई एम जस्ट I'm working with a star for the first time. I've come from a small city. I don't know how to react. I'm like this. And in every shot, like with him on the first day, I'm like this. He's trying to talk to me. He's trying to make me comfortable. That Yukti, are you fine? Where are you from? And my mom was there on the set on the first day because I was like, how can I be just handle all this? But yeah, then I got comfortable. Then we started talking and all.
So when you used to go to these auditions and all, वहाँ पे जब starting 1-2 महीना कैसे मतलब how you कैसे आते थे contacts यहाँ कुछ चल रहा है did you have any WhatsApp group or something ऐसा कुछ because in that COVID के time में ना everything was
COVID के
happening
time पे,
COVID में
yeah.
तो सब लोग online चल रहा था तो where you used to go in Mumbai and all
See, तभी ऐसे ही हुआ ना मेरे साथ कि सड़क पे कोई आया बिकॉज ही मस्ट हैव सीन माई इंस्टाग्राम और समथिंग. अभी पर मेरे पास ऑडिशंस उस टाइम बहुत कम ही आते थे. लाइक मेरे पास तीन चार एड्स मे बी सम सीरीज मतलब ऐसे एक्टिंग के ऑडिशंस मेरे पास नहीं आ रहे थे. आई वॉज मोस्टली गेटिंग एड्स के ऑडिशन कमर्शियल्स एंड ऑल. बट उसके बाद द सॉन्ग ओपनड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर मी टू बी ऑनेस्ट. Then people were calling me for films and all of that. But then second lockdown happened and then there was like this off season for work. Yeah.
so मतलब every actor goes through this मतलब ये auditions के time में you get the self doubt no अभी मतलब
All the time.
या मैन हाउ डू यू डील विद दैट. मेरे को तो भाई मतलब ऐसे एक ओवर थिंकिंग जोन में चले जाता हूँ ना मैं तो
Same.
भाई. सो आई यू ओवर थिंक करते हो
यार अभी क्या है ना मुझे लगता है हर एक्टर करता है.
बस
I think-
बोलते नहीं है क्या बात.
हाँ अभी यू हैव टू डील विद इट ऑन योर ओन.
सो व्हाट टेक्निक्स डिड यू मतलब कुछ है क्या ऐसा कुछ अच्छे कपड़े पहन लिए अच्छा कुछ बाहर
जाओ.
चले गए सो जाना
Sleep and then you'll wake up with a new mindset. That's what I do. Like when I'm like too much like overthinking and all, I sleep. I eat and I sleep so that I wake up with the new energy. And if it still stays, then I can't do anything.
मैं तो रात भर अगर मैं सोने का ट्राई करता हूँ तो मैं मतलब मतलब जो सोने का पोजीशन है वो भी ओवरथिंक कर देता हूँ. मैं ऐसा सो गया तो क्या होगा कल बोल के आई गो टू दैट लेवल ऑफ ओवरथिंकिंग. तो God
Are you
help me, man.
superstitious?
नो बट ओवरथिंकिंग में तो मैं PhD किया हुआ है.
Overthinking, I think सब करते हैं. I think when you're like in a creative field or something, you don't have work all the time, no. So you will overthink. When like a 9 to 5 person is working all the time, they don't have time for overthinking. We have too much time to overthink. We're not working all the time.
मैं
I
तो
wish God gives me so much work that I'm doing 2 shifts in a day and I'm not thinking.
हाँ मैन मैं खाली टाइम अगर दे दिया ना बोलते हैं ना कि खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर एग्जैक्टली. मैं क्या क्या के सोचते रहता हूँ. आई सी आज मैं कॉन्टेम्पररीज वर्क देख के भाई ये कर ले रहा इसका पिक्चर आ गया मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे सोफे पे बैठ के. आई गो इनटू दैट जोन.
No, same. मतलब obviously अब तो क्या है ना, I hate social media for some reasons. Because it's,
ओ
yeah, for some reasons I hate it because it's too much information. I don't need it, yaar. Like all these pages, they show me this actress is there, there. I'm not saying I'm like, but it gets to your head that okay, a certain person is doing certain films and you're doing what?
वो तो है पर मैं आई एम टॉक्सिक इन दैट वे. तो ये कर रहे हैं तो और दिखा क्या कर रहा है मैं भी करता हूँ बेटा हाँ दिखा.
हाँ, but you have to get motivated by that.
हाँ दैट्स नॉट हैपनिंग विद मी.
I get motivated, but see, अभी जब टाइम आना है वो तो तभी टाइम आना है.
वो तो है. अल्टीमेटली द एंड लाइन इज दैट ओनली. ये पूरा ओवरथिंकिंग के बाद अपना टाइम आएगा.
अपना टाइम आएगा.
तो बीच में सॉ दिस कोट. अगर मैं ज्यादा लोगों को देख लेते हैं ना तो ये काम कर रहा है वो काम कर रहा है भाई तू क्या कर रहा है तू उतना फनी नहीं है तू उसके जैसे एक्ट नहीं कर सकता है.
फनी नहीं है.
वही ना अगर किसी का जोक आ गया तो भाई ये जोक मैं क्यों नहीं क्रैक कर रहा. वो तो है मतलब मैं जोक के हिसाब से तो गेट वेरी पर्सनल. तो भाई ये मेरे को क्यों नहीं आया भाई मैं तो देन आई सॉ अ कोट. सो देयर इज अ डायरेक्टर कॉल्ड तरुण भास्कर. if you know in Telugu.
I know,
Ha,
I
ha,
know.
ha.
I think he's a writer of.
He did Pelli Choopulu, he did
Yeah,
Kira
yeah, I
Kola,
know, I
Inagram
know.
came in the. He's a wonderful director. He put up an Instagram post saying comparison is death of creativity. So I took that screenshot and that's
I also need it. Send it to me on WhatsApp.
डेफिनेटली सो दैट्स हाउ आई मतलब ये भी फोन में लगा फोन ओपन करके आई कंपेयर उसके बाद लास्ट में जब क्लोज करता हो तो
But that's human nature, yeah. We can't like stop our comparison or something. Like we are in the same field. अभी वही ना, that's what I'm saying कि comparison पहले कभी दिमाग में नहीं आता था, you know, when there was no social media. But now it's there. We know what other person is doing in his life, in her life. And now it just automatically comes to you.
हाँ
But अभी वो है कि उसको बस हावी नहीं होने देना अपने दिमाग पे. You have to be like spiritual to that level that okay, your time will come and yeah, it's going good.
बहुत देर लगेगा मेरे को तो वो स्टेज तक आने के लिए बट ग्लैड दैट यूर इन दैट पाथ तो अगर कंपैरिजन व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग एंड यू हैव डन मॉडलिंग एंड ऑल वहाँ तो देर इज डेफिनेटली अ ह्यूज काइंड ऑफ कंपटीशन कंपैरिजन रहता है वहाँ पे सो हाउ डू यू विश टू डील विद दैट एंड हाउ आर द फ्रेंडशिप्स लाइक वो एक बार जानना है मेरे को मतलब इफ यू हैव
Friendships as in
फ्रेंडशिप्स एज इन इफ यू हैव एनी मॉडलिंग फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल इफ यू नो उन लोगों के साथ फ्रेंडशिप कैसा रहता है मतलब
मैं एक बात बताऊँ यार, initially when I started my career ना, like when I was modeling and stuff, I was actually very happy yaar. I used to not compare myself with anyone. I was very happy with what I was doing because I was in college. I'm doing my college. I'm working also. I'm making money also. I'm like, you know, there's too much on my plate. I'm satisfied in a way. And whenever I'm getting time, I'm chilling. You know, that was my life. But when you get more in life, you get more competitive. Now it's like you have done one film, now I want two more. Now you have done two more, now you want three more. Now you have done three more, now I want 100 crore film. Like, you know, it just never ends. I mean, it just never ends. Like, I never thought I will reach here. Now I've reached here, I need something like insane, you know. It just goes like that. When I sit with myself, like sometimes I'm very proud of myself that okay, I never thought I'll reach here. You know, in my head when I was in like 11th, 12th, I thought like okay, I'll do BCom honors, MBA, I'll do some bank job. I never thought I'll make it to an actress. It's a big deal. Like for people, it's a big deal. And I'm just here sad about okay, my movie didn't work or something like that. Like, you know, in that way.
It's a very good approach to have. मतलब बहुत अच्छा हाँ भाई मेरे को भी सीखना है ये सब मतलब हाँ अगर कुछ करना है तो सीखना तो पड़ेगा सो आई पर्टिकुलरली आस्क्ड अबाउट फ्रेंडशिप्स बिकॉज आई आल्सो हैव सम फ्रेंड्स हु आर डूइंग मॉडलिंग नाउ सो दे आर सो सपोर्टिव टू ईच अदर मतलब अगर कुछ फोटोशूट आ गया तो नीचे आएगा व्हाट ब्यूटीफुल पिक्स मतलब यू गो गर्ल ऐसा पूरा सपोर्ट करते रहते हैं मतलब भाई इतना सपोर्ट तो ये मेल फ्रेंडशिप में तो नहीं है मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ डेफिनेटली देयर इज नो
किसी फ्रेंडशिप में नहीं आई डोंट फील लाइक क्या मतलब मुझे लगता है फ्रेंडशिप्स आर ओनली रियल विच यू हैव फ्रॉम स्कूल अभी बड़े होने के बाद फ्रेंडशिप्स आर ऑल अ लिटिल you know what I mean, right?
हाँ
It's a
yeah,
little
समझ में आ गया
selfish. It's a little selfish.
So in Permit Room, we also give the shout out to friends who are sticking with us bachpan se. So do you have any such friend bachpan se who are there with you and support kar raha abhi bhi or you have very close bond with them?
My very best friend is Akash.
Akash.
He lives in Canada, Toronto.
Okay.
He moved there, but he became my friend when we were in college together.
Okay.
Yes. My one friend is Sejal.
Sejal.
Yeah. So she was actually my flatmate when I moved to Bombay.
Okay.
So we lived only like 2 years together. Then like I shifted in my own house or something, like alone or something. But I mean, she became. I mean, they are not my childhood friends, but they know like they have seen my growth because I was nothing. Grani is my very good friend. She became my friend when I was doing one acting course in Saurabh Sachdeva workshop.
Okay.
So, you know, when you're doing like acting workshop, you are like the no filters. You're like real because you're like,
You have to be like that.
I mean, in that workshop, so when you see those real faces, You spend so much time with each other, like 8 hours. So yeah, she became a really good friend of mine.
Yeah, so Akash, Sejal and Vani.
Rani.
Rani, sorry. Rani, yeah. Akash, Sejal, huge shout out to them. So
Have I forgotten few friends of mine? And they'll
याद
call
कर
me
रहे
like,
आजकल पूरे एपिसोड हुए जब तक उनका नाम भी चिपका
मैं वही
देंगे.
सोच रही हूँ, मैंने कहा, oh my god, मैं भूल तो नहीं रही. Jerome is a very good friend of mine.
Jerome.
Jerome is a very good friend of mine. He was my actually ex-manager.
Okay.
Yeah. Now he has become a very good friend of mine.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. So shout out to all of them, and let's come to this TV thing. I saw a shot of yours in YouTube. मतलब आप you were for that MTV thing only, that Super
अच्छा.
Mela. उसमें you were dancing. मतलब you were saying that I'm ultimately doing the thing that I love. There's some street. You came, you put up your
Yeah,
headphones
yeah,
and
yeah.
So I just want to know कैसा रहता है उन लोगों का सेटअप पूरा कैसा रहता है. मतलब पूछ भी नहीं सकता, काट लेंगे अगर कुछ हुआ तो इस बोलते हैं क्या ऐसा करो, ऐसा कैमरा यहाँ रहेगा, कैसा रहता मतलब हाउ
बहुत
इज द
real
सेटअप
था
ऑफ दैट
यार,
टीवी.
बहुत real था.
हाँ.
It was too real. It was like all the conversations. Some things we used to not know. I mean कि ऐसे हो रहा है, ऐसे मतलब the tasks were real. I mean you actually have to, like, it was a proper reality show, like too real.
मतलब यू रियली डांस, मतलब वो सब लोग
हाँ
के सामने
हाँ, वो सब डांस की, मतलब it was a real thing. मतलब what was seen in the,
वो हाँ हाँ.
I can't even make a sentence in English.
I so
My
relate to
mind
this
is
one.
not
हाँ
working.
हाँ हाँ. बोलो हिंदी में बोलिए प्लीज.
I'm so embarrassed.
यहाँ तो मेरे सामने तो लाइट ही लो आप.
आपके सामने नहीं, दुनिया में तो देखेगी.
कुछ रहेगा मतलब मेरे सामने तो अच्छे ही दिखोगे, वो तो है. हाँ.
Because I've been working now, it's been a lot. Okay. But हाँ, real था यार, बहुत real था, सारे टास्क, सब कुछ.
मतलब भाई मतलब kudos to that. मैं तो जब मैकडोनल्ड्स जाता हूँ केचप पूछने के लिए मैं 2-3 बार सोचता हूँ भाई ज़्यादा केचप पूछ रहा है, कुछ सोचेगा क्या बोल के. बट डांसिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट मेनी पीपल इट्स
But yeah, that crew, that dance crew I was in, no, first year of college, that really helped me. 1 year I was, because that year I performed on 80 stages.
वाओ.
When I was in the dance crew, performing on 80 stages is what? Like your confidence is like, it has come to some level, you know. But after that I've gone to that show. तो
अभी तो
it was there in me.
मक्खन हो गया ये तो.
तो भी फिर फर्क नहीं पड़ता था उस पॉइंट पे मेरे को.
तो हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट डूइंग थिएटर एंड ऑल? थिएटर कभी देखा
I
है?
used to do theater.
ओके, सो हाउ इज दैट एक्सपीरियंस? मतलब मेरा भी थोड़ा स्लाइडिंग करना चाहता हूँ इसलिए आई हैव डन थिएटर. मतलब इट्स अ कंप्लीट डिफरेंट
From cinema.
या नो.
Absolutely different. I was not made for theater. When I was doing it also, I used to not understand few things. I used to feel a little, but I was still doing it because now I understand that I have learned a lot of things from theater.
या
Now I understand it. But when I was doing it, it used to feel very like, क्या कर रही हूँ? मैं क्यों ऐसे बात कर रही हूँ? Like, you know, there was a certain way I used to talk in, like when I was doing a play.
इट इज अ लिटिल बिट ड्रामेटिक.
Dramatic and in some other way. Like वो जो मुझे सिखाते थे मेरे सीनियर्स, वो मतलब अभी दिल से मैं उसको मैं कन्विंस नहीं हो पा रही हूँ उससे, बट मैं कर रही हूँ, पर फिर भी मैं करे जा रही हूँ. मतलब बट अब मुझे समझ आता है कि आई एम मेड फॉर कैमरा.
डेफिनेटली वो तो उससे उस गली से तो
बट
गुजरना ही
उस
पड़ता है.
गली से आप गुजरे हो और मुझे अब समझ आता है कि इट हैज हेल्प्ड मी अ लॉट.
डेफिनेटली. मतलब मेरे को एक टास्क किया था कि हम वी डिड सम प्ले कॉल्ड 1947 अ गेम ऑफ पार्टीशन बोल के, कबड्डी. द प्लेस नेम वाज कबड्डी. So I only had 3 to 4 dialogues, but you have to be there till the whole play completes, no? तो 45-50 minutes का था वो. तो भाई मेरे 3-4 डायलॉग आते थे, वो भी एक बार भूल गया मैं. एक डायलॉग भूल गया. भाई तेरे है 3-4 डायलॉग, तो उसमें एक भूल गया तो बोल के. बट इट मतलब इट गेव मी अ कॉन्फिडेंस. मतलब उन लोग सब लोगों के सामने लाउड एक्टिंग कैसे करते हैं, सटल एक्टिंग कैसे करते हैं, taught me a lot. बट पता चल गया मेरे को भाई थिएटर ये सब होने वाला नहीं है अपने से बोल के, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट दैट ड्रामेटिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा. नो,
Yeah, in front of camera you have to be so, because it captures everything, no?
डेफिनेटली वी
It captures, and you can't even lie in front of a camera. I just have to be, but I love camera, yeah. I mean, it just captures everything. Like it's just beautiful how it captures everything. Like, you know, even the smallest detail.
So first camera that you faced was for an ad.
For an ad, yes.
Huh. So
No, first camera I faced was that reality show actually.
okay.
But that was not really, that was actually a reality show. I didn't really face the camera. I was not acting. Yeah.
अच्छा.
Yeah, ad.
Ad only, no? तो ये I wanted to ask this, जो सब जगह में काम किया है, I wanted to ask them, कैसा कुछ डिफरेंस रहता है क्या ये वेब सीरीज में? ऐसा रहता है कुछ वर्किंग कल्चर यहाँ पे कुछ डिफरेंट रहता है? ऐसा कुछ एड में ऐसा रहता है? एड में तो डेफिनेटली दे थोड़ा ऊपर
See,
नीचे
ad mein to obviously advertisements are a little bit exaggerated. And see, web shows also I have done. One I have done actually last year for Netflix. It will come. I can't reveal it right now.
ओके.
But it's too real. They shoot it also in a very real way. Like there's in that I'm like there's no makeup or something on my face.
ओके.
Yeah, that I think web shows are shot in a very real way. Even the lighting is so real. They don't glamorize you.
ओके.
And I think in movies, obviously, everything is just very beautiful. Like it's just more larger than life. Everything.
Okay. So, what was your first day in the set of a Telugu film? Rangabali only, you know, first?
Rangabali, yes.
Rangabali. Yeah. So, how was the first day on the set? मतलब అందరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతుంటారు ఇప్పుడు నేను మాట్లాడినట్టు. So
You know, I had dialogues on my first day.
oh,
So if you have seen that for where I'm telling him that the first introduction scene was shot on the first day.
in the college?
In the college, where I'm like checking that little girl,
हाँ.
that first scene in the film, that was shot on the first day, and I had dialogues, and I was like palpitating deep down that oh my god, how I'm gonna say it, but I said it in a very lighter way. Like my director Pavan, he didn't give me any stress about lines and all that. He was like, you can do it. He had more confidence than I had in myself, and I actually did it. And till now, I feel like that was the most natural thing, you know, that gave me confidence. And it was good, like on the first day only, you know, I had dialogues. Because when first day you shoot something like that you're standing on the side or something, then you don't get that confidence.
Yeah. So did you have any ऐसा tutor ऐसा कुछ था क्या? तेलुगु का slang ऐसा होना चाहिए? मतलब you did it on yourself, huh?
There was one AD. He used to do lines with me. He used to tell me that the pronunciation of the words is like that, and I used to learn it.
Okay. So do you write that dialogues on your मतलब जो देते हैं ना तो you write your dialogues मतलब in the way that you understand ऐसा कुछ करते हो? नहीं तो directly
नहीं यार, मैं तो लर्न करती हूँ. I just learn my dialogues. I understand the meaning of it, and yeah.
and you after that you did a Malayalam film.
After that, I did a Malayalam film.
Malayalam film. So I just want to talk about that. तो ये मलयालम भाई मतलब जब सुनते हैं ना तो इट्स वेरी पोएटिक. ऐसा जाते रहता है कहाँ शुरू हुआ कहाँ खत्म हुआ भाई रुको एक मिनट होके लगता रहता है मेरे को.
No, but it's round and it's round and it's round. It's just and when I see someone like talking in you know, Malayalam, I just keep looking at their, like, you know, this area and their lips are just going but no, it was difficult for me, yaar, that film. Like, I mean, but Unni, my co-actor, I mean, he helped me a lot. He was like, you just have to do this. He used to tell me expression and how I have to say my dialogue. He made it easy for me. If he wasn't there on that film, I think मुझे panic attack आ जाता.
भाई मतलब बहुत मतलब मलयालम तो मतलब तेलुगु
और पता है वो लोग क्या, मतलब ऐसा होता था उस सेट पे कि see, now he's a very creative director. I love Hanif sir, but he used to sometimes on set he's thinking, okay, this scene shouldn't be like this. Your dialogue should be this.
भाई
So I used to get my dialogue in such a, see, now if somebody gives me a Telugu dialogue on set, I can learn it. Like it's now I'm like very comfortable with the words and pronunciation. Like if you tell me that say some line, like Manchidi Kadu, like if you say that, I can say it. Like it's not difficult for me because I've learned Sanskrit when I was in school. So the pronunciation of the words is not difficult for me if I can learn it like that time only. But that is a very different language. like all those, like that is very difficult for me. My tongue doesn't know how to move like that. So that used to be a little difficult, but the whole process, I loved it. Like being on Malayalam set, like it's amazing.
So what's the, both sets are definitely, जिनका place उधर definitely they are good, but what's the difference between the working style में कुछ difference है क्या? I always wanted to, because आजकल if you see any Malayalam film, no?
They're very
Yeah.
calm, dude.
Okay.
They're very calm. Nobody's shouting on the set. Nobody's talking, you know, in a louder voice. That's, pata hai kya, everybody's calm. If we are losing the light, people are calm. That's how you save your time, save your energy. And I don't understand why people don't understand it.
Okay. That's the main difference.
That's the main difference.
Okay. So in acting also, in front of camera, do you have any emotion that भाई ये थोड़ा difficult है करने के लिए ऐसा कुछ? Because I was saying in another podcast, in another this thing also, ये रोना in front of camera is a little bit of a task अभी. मतलब I have friends who do it, मतलब भाई glycerin डाल ले हो जाएगा. But do you have any emotion like that मतलब भाई इसके ऊपर थोड़ा work करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
See, अभी उसमें क्या होता है ना, वर्कशॉप्स काम आती हैं. If you have done workshops for the film, for your
Okay.
particular film, no, it works. I did workshops for this K-Ram.
K-Ramp, हाँ.
Only 2 days I did. 2 days I've spent with my director, but it has worked for me. Like on set, I just knew what I have to do. मतलब हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था पहले ही, me and Nani, my director, that what I have to do in this scene, and I did actually better than that maybe. Yeah. Because this character actually needed some workshop. It was not something ki, okay, I'm going on set, I have to say my dialogue, I have to do a little bit. It's a proper, some character that, you need to get into it.
And K-Ramp teaser and everything that's come out looks very interesting. Very मतलब Kiranana was saying क्या genre क्या है picture का बोले
I think you have done a podcast with him.
yeah. So he was saying it's a vibing film. So vibe करेंगे लोग ये picture को देख के बोल के. So how was it on set? He was saying it's chill रहता है.
Funny. It was like fun set to be like, on. It was very funny. Like everything was funny about it. Chill. Everybody was chilling.
So you shot in Kerala and also कैसा रहता मतलब shoot के time पे I always think
Kerala was hectic.
Kerala was हाँ
We didn't have any day off. We just worked for 15 days, like non-stop, and going from one location to another. It took a lot of time also. So you just have time for sleep, in between. But I loved it. The college we shot in, that was very pretty.
तो मतलब मैं सोचता हूँ कि एक्टर्स जाते हैं ना शूट करने के लिए, तो मैं सोचता हूँ भाई यार शूट के बीच में तो जाते होंगे, चिल करते होंगे, अच्छा
चिल करते थे. वेदर बहुत बढ़िया था यार. वेदर वाज टू गुड. वी यूज्ड टू लाइक सिट ऑन चेयर, लाइक enjoy the weather. I used to read the book in between. So yeah, that chill. Bhai, I love my life. मुझे लगता है there's no other work in this, which makes you travel so much. And I love traveling.
So what's the best place that you've been to traveling में apart from मतलब acting gigs को छोड़ के any good place that you
I
suggest?
love London.
London.
I love. वहाँ पे यार there's this small villages near London. I want to go there, live there for a month and come back. Like
ऐसा इंडिया में कुछ है क्या?
India में I love Manali. Manali, I love that place. Manali से आगे भी ना, there's some small villages. There's this place, Jibhi,
Jibhi, okay.
in Himachal Pradesh.
Okay.
Dude, it's so beautiful. I went in January 2023. It was snowing that time. And I stayed in a tree house. So beautiful. Like, I think in India we have everything. From mountains to river to beaches, beautiful beaches. If you go to Pond, even I love that place, Pondicherry. There's this place inside the Pondicherry, na, Auroville.
Auroville, हाँ.
I went there. I stayed there for 4 days. I loved that place also.
हाँ मतलब I've also been to Pondicherry, but it was मैं समर में गया था. मैं सोच रहा था भाई हॉलिडे डेस्टिनेशन कभी भी हॉलिडे डेस्टिनेशन ही रहता बोल के गया, but
No.
too much that
I went in December, and even in December it was hot. Like in the evening it used to be chill, but otherwise
बट डेफिनेटली वो फ्रेंच कॉलोनी में थोड़ा इधर उधर फोटो ले लो बैकग्राउंड्स में वो दीवार रहते कलर कलर दीवार, वहां पे फोटो
मैं
ले
बहुत
लो.
पहले गई थी बट नाउ आई एम लाइक आई डोंट नो, नाउ आई थिंक इट्स टू मच कमर्शियलाइज्ड, आई डोंट नो.
Okay. So how what do you think about Goa?
यार अभी गोवा तो क्या आई एम नॉट अ वेरी बीच पर्सन.
अच्छा.
आई लव माउंटेन्स. मैं पानी से ऐसा कोई लगाव नहीं है मेरे को. आई एम नॉट अटैच्ड टू वाटर.
So we have a segment in Permit Room where so we ask the guest, अगर aliens अभी आ गए, aliens came and they are conquering everything, अभी सब अब हमको लेके जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे to their planet लेके जा रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
तो they give us an option कि you can take 5 movies from यहाँ से, कौन सा भी 5 movies. What 5 movies will you take with you? One you name and one I'll name. कौन से वाले बोलेंगे, मतलब हिंदी, इंग्लिश, एनीथिंग, तेलुगु ऑल्सो इफ यू नो.
There's one film, The Holiday.
द हॉलीडे. बहुत
के- Kate Winslet is in that film.
अच्छा,
I
मैं
love that film.
मैं अक्षय कुमार वाला हॉलीडे मतलब मैं ज्यादा.
अक्षय कुमार की भी एक फिल्म मेरी बहुत फेवरेट है.
हाँ ले क्या
पर आप बोलो पहले कौन.
मैं हिंदी में आई टेक रब ने बना दी जोड़ी विथ मी.
ओह,
यू कांट कॉपी माई ना. एक हो गया मेरा है.
मेरे को चाहिए भी नहीं.
ओके. सो नेक्स्ट वन. हाँ, सेकंड वन. व्हाट मूवी वुड यू टेक?
One Welcome.
वेलकम.
Akshay Kumar's Welcome.
एंड वी हेरा फेरी. माय
Hera
सेकंड
Fairy
हेरा
is
फेरी. तो
nice.
हाँ, हेरा फेरी इज देयर. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट पार्ट 3 डूड. पार्ट 3 बोल रहे हैं कि
बन
यार.
रहा है?
हाँ, बन रहा है. बीच में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया, परेश रावल जी का कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो गया था, बट नाउ बन रहा है. आई एम
I
ईगरली
wish
वेटिंग फॉर.
बने यार, I wish बने.
भाई पूरे एवरी मीम इज ऑन दैट फिल्म. होल हिंदी मीम सीन इज ऑन दैट ओनली. सो यू फॉरवर्ड मीम्स एंड ऑल चलता है वो पूरा दोस्त लोगों को, मतलब यू सेड यू आर नॉट.
हाँ, प्रॉपर. अभी यही तो टाइम पास, यही तो है स्ट्रेस बस्टर.
लवली हेरा फेरी. एंड व्हाट्स द थर्ड वन?
मैंने एक्चुअली तेलुगु फिल्म एक देखी थी और मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी वो फिल्म. आई थिंक आई डोंट नो पीपल विल रिलेट टू इट और नॉट. फिदा.
फिदा. It's a lovely film. Lovely
Dude,
film.
I loved Sai Pallavi in that. She's so effortless. Like the way she was dancing in the like songs and all. I loved that film.
Lovely. Fida.
Like I watched that film for 5 times. 5 times I watched it. Just for the songs, I'm like, okay, she'll come now.
Definitely. That's a lovely film. And have you watched Sitaramam?
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah,
That is
Sitaram.
also a lovely film.
Yeah, Sitaram is lovely. I suggest करने का तो, but you definitely watched it, तो ठीक है.
But Fida, thodi, you know, these are light films. You know, you can just watch it and like, you know. Now.
मैं सीताराम हो
अच्छा,
गया.
3 ही फिल्में बता दी थी
तीन ही
ना.
हो गया था. हाँ. What's the fourth one?
अभी I can't think of anyone.
ఓకే దెన్ ఏలియన్స్ కో బోలేంగే थोड़ा బాటర్ ఇట్లా బేరం ఆడేసి మూడే పట్టుకొస్తామని చెప్దాము. సో యా. ఓకే. సో అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ యాక్టింగ్ అండ్ డాన్స్ బోత్ పార్ట్ అండ్ పార్సల్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ దట్ యుర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్? ఎనీ స్పోర్ట్ దట్ యూ ప్లే, ఎనీ अदर थिंग that you're interested in?
स्पोर्ट्स तो यार सब छूट गया है अभी लाइफ में.
क्या खेलते थे पहले?
बैडमिंटन.
ड्यूअल या सिंगल? भाई मैं को सिंगल नहीं होता मेरे से, तो मैं उतना नहीं भाग सकता.
नहीं, क्या मैंने स्कूल में खेला है. स्कूल में आई यूज्ड टू प्ले वॉलीबॉल आल्सो. आई यूज्ड टू प्ले बास्केटबॉल आल्सो व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल. स्कूल के बाद स्पोर्ट्स तो चला ही गया. अभी आई वांट टू स्टार्ट नाउ दिस पिकल बॉल
हाँ, वो तो
because it's a trend
हो रहा है.
you know. I also want to post stories like that.
पैडल पकड़ के
पैर पकड़ के I'm in that skirt and I'm playing.
मतलब आई हैव प्लेड. मेरे को थोड़ा डेफिनेटली यू विल आल्सो एक्सपीरियंस इफ यू प्ले इट. इट्स लिटिल बिट बोरिंग.
हाँ.
हाँ, मतलब ये इट्स नॉट टेबल टेनिस, इट्स नॉट बैडमिंटन. अलग मतलब उसको क्या है कि मतलब आई डिडंट एंजॉय इट.
Squash is nice.
हाँ, वो तो अमीर लोगों का है. स्क्वैश एंड ऑल.
नहीं, वो मैंने खेला है वो बीच में आई यूज्ड टू गो विद माय ब्रदर एंड आई यूज्ड टू प्ले इट. क्योंकि उसको बहुत पसंद है. ही यूज्ड टू गो और वो मेरे को साथ लेके जाता था टाइम पास के लिए कि भाई आ जा.
लवली. सो डिड यू हैव एनी इंस्पिरेशन एज सच ऐसा एक्टिंग में आने से पहले? डिड यू लुक अप टू समवन एंड
करीना कपूर.
हैव यू मेट हर?
No.
मिला?
Not yet. I don't know. Yeah, why? Like I want to meet. I just want to work with her. Yeah. I just wish we are in the same film and first time I'm just like meeting on set only.
Same Imran Hashmi types.
हाँ.
Lovely, man.
Yes.
Hopefully you get a Dharma film with her.
Manifestation couch.
याद
Let's
रखना.
make it
याद रखना.
manifestation. Dharma film with Kareena Kapoor. Yes.
That'd be a very nice combo, ना? Good news के जैसा कुछ अच्छा पिक्चर.
हाँ यार कुछ भी उसकी छोटी बहन प्ले कर लूँ मैं लगूंगी आई थिंक बट यू नो इन खुद का ही
I love her in Jab We Met, man. मतलब मैं
Jab
तो
We Met, yes.
I have been a fan of her since Jab We Met only. मतलब वही था exposure करीना कपूर का. Love it. उसके बाद then ठीक है केतरी जी उसके बाद देखा मैं. But yeah, I love her. But okay. So finally we asked the guest the 4 aspects of life. This is a common question in every podcast that we do. So we have so how good are you at these 4 aspects of your life? So one is money management, one is time management, another one is physical health, and fourth one is mental health. So we'll go one by one. So money management, how good are you? आप भी manage करते हो कि do you have any manager as such?
my father manages my money.
Oh, lovely.
I think I'm good at it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Money management. So time management?
Time management also I'm good, but I do some procrastination. I'm a procrastinator. तो वो मेरा थोड़ा है लाइक उसमें मैं अपने आप को दूंगी 7 out of 10 टाइम मैनेजमेंट.
टाइम मैनेजमेंट मतलब अगर शूट कुछ है तो यू आर ऑन टाइम राइट बाकी के
हाँ शूट पे तो आई मीन या आई कैन लाइक अगर 2 घंटे की नींद से मैं उठ के मैं जा सकती हूँ कि अच्छा.
लवली एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ
आई थिंक आई एम गुड.
सो यू बेसिकली डांस वर्कआउट्स और
आई एम डूइंग पिलाटीज दीज डेज सो दैट आई लाइक एंड नाउ आई बॉट वेट्स एंड ऑल. तो अभी मेरे घर पे मेरे को जब टाइम मिलता है आई जस्ट कीप अ डंबल इन माय हैंड लाइक.
लवली एंड फाइनली मेंटल हेल्थ मतलब आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट थोड़ा अच्छा ही है बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया से यू आर कट ऑफ बोल के यू वर सेइंग.
Like I'm less active on Instagram. I'm not very much active there because अभी mental health सही है यार. I think I keep having fun also. I keep traveling. जब मेरा थोड़ा दिमाग खराब होता है मुझे लगता है there's too much on my plate. I just book my flight ticket to some place and I just go.
सो सब ठीक ही है
सब ठीक
सारा
ही
aspect
है.
तो ठीक ही है.
ठीक ही है. तो कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं मिला आप लोगों को.
नहीं इंटरेस्टिंग तो चाहिए था भी नहीं मतलब आई जस्ट आस्किंग.
अच्छा.
हाँ सो फाइनली वी हैव इन परमिट रूम सब एस्पायरिंग राइटर्स है फिल्म मेकर्स है. सो इफ यू वांट टू से समथिंग टू द एक्टर्स आउट देयर फ्रॉम योर जर्नी दैट यू हैड स्मॉल
अच्छा
जर्नी
ऐसा
कुछ ऐसा एडवाइस ऐसा कुछ दे दो.
मैं कौन होती हूँ एडवाइस देने वाली.
हम पकड़ लेते भाई हमको सिर्फ बोलने वाला चाहिए कुछ ना कुछ अब तक जो हुआ उसमें इफ यू वांट टू सजेस्ट समथिंग ऐसा कुछ प्रीची नहीं बट एनी एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू.
I think, see, when you keep your mental health good, no, it shows on screen. So you have to actually keep yourself well only. People, I think, some aspiring actors, they don't understand that you have to enjoy your life on daily basis. And that's what, and you have to take care of your health and whatever. Yeah, exactly. वो तभी that only will be shown on the screen and that's how you're going to grow in life.
Okay. So finally about something about K-Ramp. How is it gonna be in theaters?
See, I'm very excited for this film because what I've done in this film is like something very different, and I have fought my way through this film, to be honest. I'm just very excited. I can't reveal so much about the film because I want people to watch it. I don't know how the trailer is also going to look like, but I'm very excited for this film. People has not seen this kind of character, I think, before.
Very much looking forward to it and
Yes.
also manifesting a Dharma film for you again. On this course याद रखना हाँ यहीं पे manifest हुआ था starting पूरा यही से हो रहा है.
100%. I'm going to give you credit.
Yeah. So that note we have a glass to sign here. पूरा setup है.
अच्छा.
हाँ. Please sign on this glass for us.
Oh, wow.
Please. So lovely. So finally it was wonderful having you over in Permit Room. I hope you also enjoyed the
I
conversation.
loved it. This was my first podcast, and the experience is amazing.
Thank you so much.
I hope you call me soon again.
Definitely, we'd love to have a success party यहीं पे करेंगे.
Oh,
Hiram का.
yes.
Definitely, we can do that. And finally, if in your वो हरियाणवी language में, if you say cut by seeing the camera, it'll be.
Cut.
हाँ ऐसा कुछ.
कट तो कट ही होता है भाई.
नहीं अगर कुछ अरे भाई कुछ ना कुछ बोलो ना यार. हरियाणवी line. वो अच्छा लग रहा था. एक कुछ लाइन हरियाणवी में बोल दो and say cut.
कट भाई, सो जाओ अपने घर जाके. कितना टाइम हो गया? 12 बजने वाले हैं.
Lovely.
A few moments later.
Let's go. We have Yukti with us. ఎన్ని కొడతారో చూద్దాం. Come on. Oh, nice. Yeah. 10 na? Okay. Oh, so close, man. So close. Lovely.